Draw fan shape.
What?
Draw another triangle tail fin. Distinguish the triangular fins. Draw an arc to distinguish the tail fin. Draw stripes on the body. Draw the mouth. Draw stripes on the fins. Finally, draw eyes.
Yeah! Come, try drawing.